Hey, what's up, Aces? Chris Coombs here, running my video finally for the Manning 1998 Skybox EX 2001 Rookie PSA 8. I want to thank you all for getting in on here. I'm going to copy this list here and make sure we got everything in line. We've got our timers right here, 347. We've got multi-rounds up here, screen recorder. I'm going to go ahead and type in live. Get our live timestamp, 347, and we're going to take our list, which was Bob, DJ Eleni, times 2, Tud, Rob, Tud, Anthony, JJ, and Rob. And we are going to bring this over, run a new giveaway. As you can see, we're at giveawaysrandom.org. Paste our list here. There we go. And Manning, say 8EX. Alright. There we go. We don't need to roll the dice because we're going to randomize this 8 times as per the rules of Aces. So first random's coming at 348. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. First time we got Tud. Second time Rob. Third time JJ. Fourth time DJ. Fifth time Anthony. Sixth time Tud. Seventh time Rob 98. Eighth and final time at 348. And your winner is Rob 98. Takes it spot number 5. Verification code is right here. As you can see, we're at random.org. We're going to come back here. We are going to type in done. What in the heck? D-O-N-E. Alright, there we go. We are done. Done time is 3:49. Current time is 3:49. Thank you guys very much and have a great rest of your day.